Hello everyone, welcome to Resonating Art. My name is Amy. I got my mold from Pouring Your Heart Out. And I'm pouring my heart out, I could cry. I'm really excited. I've had it for a couple days, and I mean being excited hasn't worn off. I'm just been trying to think of what to do. It's so beautiful. You know, you watch someone make videos and even though you make videos yourself, it doesn't matter. You know, it's kind of exciting. I feel very blessed that I was able to get this mold. Okay, I'm putting my white in a piping bag. I got my bloom, well, my hibiscus tray in the mail from Julie Cuts, Pouring Your Heart Out. I ordered it a few weeks ago. And since I live in the United States, you know, it takes longer to get here from Australia. I couldn't be more excited. Oh my gosh. Oh, I don't even know how much it holds. So let's get some in here. Oh my gosh. I'm beyond excited. Okay, is that good? Okay, I think that's good. Oh my gosh. I don't even know what I want to do yet. I'm like, ah. Okay, I'm just gonna put some colors in together. Kind of here and there and everywhere. Let's Resin Dark Magenta. Decorom Navy. Let's Resin Dark Indigo. Oh my gosh. Be careful. Oh, I see a bubble. I gotta get it right now. I hate to do it with the toothpick, but... Okay, where was I at? The Dark Indigo. I think I already went. Okay. Now we'll do some turquoise from Decorom. And let's see, a blueberry from Decorom. It's kind of like that other color, isn't it? Oh, that looks so pretty. I love it. And I am recording. I was worried I wasn't recording. I was going to say, no. Of course you're not recording, Amy. Okay, oh, I hate to mix them together. They're so pretty. I can't believe I got this mold. Now, of course, I wanted to get it 7 or 8 months ago, but I didn't. You know, I tried to buy molds that are close to me and cheap. Now, hers is very reasonable, but, you know, when you add in the shipping from Australia, then it's, you know, more of a kind of a, you know, it's going to be a birthday present. or Mother's Day, or you save for it. Okay, let's see. I'm going to, I see a bubble right there. Okay. I don't even know what I'm gonna do yet. I'm gonna, I'm so nervous, I'm so excited, I didn't even know what to do. I'm shaking, and let's see. think I want to do a bunch of little something. Let's see. Well, that's kind of telling me what I'm doing right there. I love this mold. It's so beautiful. When I first saw it, I thought, I gotta have that. I gotta save for it. I gotta splurge and get that. Oh my gosh. I'm using Noc Pro. I'm using Casting Craft. Although I did test out some Editor Art, and I really liked it. But being the first time I get to use this mold, you know, I wanted to use Casting Craft. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, sorry, I went silent. As I'm laughing and shaking. I'm gonna have to do a voiceover because, I mean, look at me shake. I'm so excited to get my mold. I feel like a little kid. I hope this turns out beautiful and amazing. This mold is so awesome and heavy duty, and I pray I don't ever burn it and it lasts me a long time. Goodness gracious, because I can't just run out and, you know, get another one. So I'm gonna try to take care of it. You know, I was gonna do all fireworks in it. You know, I've got a couple of videos that do have fireworks. I got a bloom that's half bloom, half fireworks. And I really do love the fireworks, how they look. But, well, I mean, as you can tell, of course, I added some dots. But, I don't know where I went. I don't know if I have too many. I can't see them. I got a lot of color going on. And the good thing about a lot of color is I like a dark middle. You know, this will all pull in and it'll be dark. You know, I could pull these out. I don't know why I did, but I'm gonna... That stinking bubble's still there. I see it. I thought I got it. My stomach's growling. My husband's almost home from work. But I just said, I need to hurry and do a bloom. Am I good? I mean, I think I'm good. I need to get that dang bubble out, though. Come here, little buddy. Got you. Okay. I'll pop that in a second. Let this do its thing. we'll come back and put probably a black background on it and then reveal it. All right, see ya.